Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by opening Mail and Photos. You need an active account and a network connection. You can begin from either app, but I'll show both paths so you understand why one is faster. From Photos, locate the picture you want. From Mail, create a new message first. This matters because composing first lets you position text, whereas attaching first is faster for single photos. Once you've chosen the image, you'll be ready to attach it using the Share menu or the paperclip option. If you start in Photos, tap the Share icon, pick Mail, and a new composer will open with the photo attached. This preserves original size unless you choose otherwise. If you start in Mail, tap to place the cursor, long press, then choose Add Photo or Document. That inserts the picture where the cursor is. You should decide whether to send inline or as a separate attachment, because inline may reduce quality. Make sure recipient address, subject, and any message text are complete before sending. Before sending, check image size. iPhone often prompts small, medium, large, or actual size. Choose according to quality versus data use. Tap Send and watch the status. A spinning circle means it's uploading. If it fails, try again, cancel, reattach, and resend. If issues persist, force close mail, restart your iPhone, or save the photo to Files and attach from Files. That can bypass size or encoding problems. One tip: ensure the recipient's address is correct, because undeliverable bounces can be misleading.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.